Horiba Scientific standard microscopic systems combine the visualization power of a standard microscope with spectroscopic analytical tools for an even more powerful micro and nano material characterization system. The SMS Lifetime system from Horiba Scientific combines the visualization power of a standard microscope with the complementary information from time-resolved photoluminescence. The SMS Lifetime is based on two core technologies: time-correlated single photon counting for short lifetimes, and multi-channel scaling for longer lifetimes. TCS-PC and MCS enable lifetime measurements from picoseconds to seconds on the same timing electronics. The SMS Lifetime system is an open and flexible platform combining the best of microscopy and time-resolved spectroscopy.